Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about virtual machines. Virtual machines are amazing. If you want to become a hacker or learn about new operating systems like Kali Linux, Ubuntu or Unix, or want to test new software without risking the stability of your host computer, you can do these all in your virtual machine in a safe and sandboxed environment. So, what is a virtual machine? Well, it's basically a computer inside a computer. Let's talk about it. If we open our computer and look inside, we see hardware materials like motherboard, CPU, GPU, RAM, hard drive, etc., and all these components which make up our computer. But we cannot really use them all until we install an operating system. I'm using Windows 10 operating system. That allows me to use all the hardware components and run applications. Let's say, one day, you want to learn about Linux operating system. So, you would probably need another set of hardware, right? You would need to buy another computer, and on that computer, you would install Linux operating system. But this is not likely the case, and that's where virtualization comes handy. Virtualization is a technology that allows us to run multiple operating systems in our host operating system by dividing the hardware resources. In other words, we can put one computer inside another computer. With the help of virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation, we can have Windows inside Windows, macOS inside Windows, or Linux in Windows. We can have more than one operating system. The host operating system allows virtual machine to use its hardware resources, and it doesn't affect your main operating system. There are several options for generating virtual machines on a system, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here, we'll talk about VMware Workstation and VirtualBox. VMware Workstation is a hypervisor software platform for desktop virtualization and is installed on a physical server that allows different operating systems to operate on the same machine. It provides virtualization and is compatible with a variety of operating systems and offers many security solutions. VirtualBox also allows us to install virtual machines on our computer. It can run different operating systems simultaneously, like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, and macOS, etc. It's a high-performance software designed for both home and business use. However, the two are fundamentally comparable. These both work on Windows or Linux hosts and support other operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Unix. They both are known for their great performance and reliability. In short, the most capable techniques to operate virtual machines on the desktop are VirtualBox and VMware Workstation. As there are some features which are shared by both platforms, there are also some features that are exclusive to each. VMware is utilized mainly in the workplace and offers virtualization at the hardware level. It is not an open source software and a bit expensive. VirtualBox, on the other hand, is used for both educational and personal purposes. It offers virtualization at both hardware and software levels and is an open source software. VirtualBox and VMware are useful for testing new systems and programs in a safe and secure environment. Both are pioneers in data virtualization technology, allowing various softwares to be deployed and tested across numerous operating systems without the use of additional devices. Both of these platforms are dependable, quick, and packed with fascinating features. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.